What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here. Today we're going to add curves to our license plate. So you're going to need a few things for this, I guess you'd call it a mod. You need a couple of these command strips. I recommend the ones with the Velcro. They're pretty easy to replace in case you need to swap it out for something, so command strips. You're also going to need one of these license plate plugs. A lot of these will come with your license plate relocation brackets, but you can pick these up easy enough on Amazon. I'll post a link below where you can get one of these as well. These just go in your factory license plate bracket where it mounts to cover it up if you were to run a relocation bracket. So we're gonna tap into this to tie our license plate into it. You're also gonna need 2 self-tapping screws. You can use more if you want. I just use 2. Obviously a drill or a screw gun. You're also gonna need some paper towels and something to kind of clean up the area. Alright, now I had already done this mod previously. I'm just replacing a Velcro, but I decided to show you guys in case you wanted to do this. First, take a paper towel and some cleaner. And let's just kind of clean up the whole area around, so the command strips have something clean to mount to without dumping the screws everywhere. Now I'm going to peel this one command strip off. Comes off pretty easy if you want to do this mod. It just peels off, doesn't do anything to the paint. Alright, once you got everything all dry, you're going to want to take your plate blocker thing and figure out exactly where you're going to want to mount it on your license plate. I chose between the 2 Z's, or the 1 Z. I chose to put it between the spaces on the Z, kind of centered it pretty well. But just kind of play around with it, hold it up, figure out where you want to mount it, and then once you do, all you have to do is drill your self-tapping screws right into the spot. So once you have this mounted on the back, it's pretty easy from this step forward. You're just gonna align it. Now once you have it aligned and pushed in, you just kind of bend the license plate around the curve of your tub here. And I already have one command strip in place on this side, so we'll go ahead and stick that one. Make sure it's stuck really well. And I forgot to peel off this other one here. Alright, and for your command strips on each side, I recommend putting it on the license plate first. That way you know it lines up. So if you've never used a command strip before, it's like double-sided tape basically. So you line it up on here, press it into place. You can see I have the command strip here pressed in. We'll peel off the other side here. Oops, bumped the camera. Yeah, what you guys can't see is I'm doing this with the camera right in the middle here. Alright, let's peel that off. Just double check, make sure that's clean. Then you're just gonna fold it around, press it real good. You just want to hold it for a few seconds. That way it can adhere to your Jeep. There we go. Alright, so as you can see guys, this is the final look of the license plate. Curves around there, kind of gives it a unique look. Pretty simple to do. You just got your 2 screws here and the command strip on either side holding it into place. Simple as that. We got a curved license plate. So guys, I hope you liked this quick little mod on your license plate, giving it curves, making something a little bit unique. I would have done more, but the driveway is still a sheet of ice. It's been kind of rain, snow, so I just wanted to get a quick video up showing you guys something a little different. I hope you like this mod. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the little bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. As always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.